Hello, and thanks for joining us this Tuesday for our daily market coverage presented by FX, your reliable partner in trading. Here's today's financial headline.
Alphabet stock fell about 2.3% on Monday to $313.72, as investors took profits after recent AI-driven gains amid broader market volatility. The Australian stock market index fell 0.9% on Tuesday, as investors remained cautious ahead of the Reserve Bank of Australia's policy decision, which ultimately left the cash rate unchanged. WTI crude oil futures traded below $59 per barrel on Tuesday, as expectations of a supply glut outweighed geopolitical risks. The Japanese yen steadied around 156 per dollar on Tuesday, after coming under pressure overnight following a magnitude 7.5 earthquake on Japan's northeast coast, which briefly raised concerns about economic disruptions. Ether traded around $3,100 this Tuesday amid cautious market sentiment, as exchange-traded fund outflows have pressured crypto prices, while long-term bullish bets and historically low exchange supply are keeping Ether supported. Now let's review the major economic events of the day. At 3 p.m., the U.S. to release the number of job openings for September, following 7,227,000 in August. At 9:30 p.m., the U.S. will release figures for the crude oil stock change of December 5th, following a deficit of 2.5 million barrels in the week ending November 28th. Tomorrow's major economic events. At 2:45 p.m., Canada to release the interest rate for December, following 2.25% in November. At 7 p.m., the interest rate in the U.S. is expected to decrease, after reaching 4% in November.
And that's it for today's Market News Roundup, presented by FX. Thanks for joining us today, and be sure to tune in again tomorrow for more financial news.